Hello everybody. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to edit profile in Lumosity application. First, access to your Lumosity and you will find yourself in the main menu of the website. After that, we have to go to the accounts panel. To do so, all we have to do is to click on your username or your profile picture. In here, it will pop up this little menu. Here we should click on the account setting button to access to the account settings. After that, you will see this window here and we should go to the bottom and you will find multiple information of your account like billing information, payment history or login informations, etc. To edit your profile, either you can edit your login information or your personal informations. To edit your login informations, you should choose either if you want to change your email or password. Let's suppose that you want to change the email, so we have to click on this button here. Here, you will fill the new email that you want to set up, and all you have is to click changes. If you want to change the password, we have to click on this button here and you will find these two blanks here and fill them with the new password and retype it and then save the changes. If you want to change personal informations, all you have is to click on the change personal informations button and you will find different informations that you can uh, edit, like the first name or the username, also your time zone, gender, language, or your profession, and you can also upload a profile picture. After you do all these changes, all you have is to click on Save Changes, and you will find that your profile has been edited successfully. So those are the steps to edit your profile. Thank you for watching and goodbye.